Isa lang.
Dalawa, kuya.
Dalawa ba?
Dalawa.
Okay, dalawa pala. Hindi ko nakita. Sorry.
Okay lang.
Alright, pasok ang papasok. Start of the second half. Pumito na po. Eto na. Abalos, number 15. Abalos, passes under for 3. Shot got. Rebounded by. Jump ball. White ball, mga kaibigan. Score natin ay 33-29. In check for the pick. In check for the flip-flop. Wala. Naribaling ka, Chris. Ang bumangkak iba. Kuya Chris. That shot was brought to you by Cherry Bear. Diba, matangkad. Uy, with the pick.
Pasok.
Oseyo, inangat.
Wow.
Wala. And have a chance. On the line. Number 5. Ikaw unang agot. Pasok. Ikalawang agot. Bago. Nariwan na number 15. Shot for 3. Bangs it in. What a nice shot. That shot was brought to you by Rain or Shine. Substitution rep. Sa dead ball. Wait lang po tayo mga kaibigan. Bumawi si number 7 and 3 points. In.
Sa kabila.
Number 12. With a spin move. Sabay balik sa sariling pinanggalingan. Abalos. Anyari. Nagawan. Pero pilit kinagawan. Foul. Hug foul. Substitution rep. Mamaya, wait lang. Nakalimutan yung rep. Number 7 for 3. Bangs are in. Score natin ay pantay na bantay. Parang mga bahay sa Eastview. Oras natin ay 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 12.
Ay, ang taas.
Pass to Joseo. Back to number 12. Number 12, pinasok sa gitna.
Ay!
Nagawa pa sa
Ay!
Number 12.
Ay!
Nakagawa ni number 7 yung spin move for cross behind the back. Nagawa pa sa
Foul.
foul. Who's foul rep? Number 5. Pass to May at Iwagaway. Hatid sa inyo ng Rexona. Substitution rep. Pasok, pagpapasok. Labas at lalabas. Para maiba. Number 7. Pass to assorted. Wala. Nariba ni number 15. Abalos side step with the left to layup. Wala. Nariba ni number 2. Inangat. Wala. Kahit rebound by Kuya Chris. Number 7. Passing check from the logo. Bangs the in. That shot was from Unciano. Sa Unciano. Number 15. 6 minutes 45 seconds. Dead ball time out tayo ba? Number 7. In check for 3 once again. Who check? Wala. Sarili number 7. Wala. Nalimalino. Nakuha ni Sander. Natabag in check. Number 7. Still moves. Napakagandang fade away naman doon by Kevin Bryant. Fouled by Green Team. Last time out na po yan ng Green Team. Tanyo. The point guard. Wala nyo, pinasok kay Amper. 31 Amper. Pass to number 15 Abalos. Natapik. 31 Amper. Go 42-39. 42-39 the score. It's okay. Boom, pinasa sa board. Nice, Dean. Black label. Pinasa kay Magsubox. 31 Amper. number 7. 42-39, lamang ang white team. Number 7, pass to Kuya Chris. Kuya Chris, pass to Kuya Nas, pass to number 7 for 3. Kinasa, wala. Air ball. Score natin na 5 minutes, 20 seconds. Oras pala yan. Wala nyo. Pass to Maxi Bogues. Maxi Bogues for 3. Wala. Narito ni Assorted. Assorted pinasa kay Incheck. Incheck na wala. Foul by Maxi Bogues. It's okay. Incheck. 2 shots on the line. Ha? Second personal foul. Third team foul. Incheck. Whoosh. Incheck. Second shot. What? 31 ampere. Wala nyo. Back to 31 ampere. 31 ampere. Pass to Maxi Bogues. Maxi Bogues. Pass to. Nagaw. Incheck. Incheck. Incheck for 3. Benjamin. Wala nyo. Wala nyo. Wala nyo. Black label. Black, ganda ng speed move, sabay pasok sa labas. Speed move, sabay talentong. Number 7. Number 7, cross. Pass to Kuya Nas, pass to Kuya Chris with the 31-foot jumper. Two minutes, 45 seconds. Wala nyo, to Abalos. Abalos for 3. Air ball. Naribo rin Assorted. Incheck, Incheck. Pick up. Offensive. Yun sana. Substitution ulit. Pasok ang papasok, labas ang lalabas para may iba. Wala nyo. 3 minutes, 15 seconds. Wala nyo. Pass to Maxi traveling calculation. Substitution na, pwede? Pasok ang papasok, labas ang lalabas. Number 7. Jumper, good. 50-39. Sander, cross. Sander, may buwit pa sa ulo. Sander, pass sa ulanyo. Step na na gas. Wala. Naribo nino. Kung sino man yun. Basta pinasin na Incheck. Incheck, cross. Cross. Niyakap na lang. Chancing foul. Number 8 foul. Chancing foul. Substitution. 1 for penalty ang green. Penalty na kayo ng 1-5. Check. Pass to Kuya Chris, number 30. Shot is good. 2 minutes. 52-39. Tambakol. Speed by Black Label. Ang tawag. Baba daw. Foul si number 12. Ay, 13 pala. Stop. Easy. Number 7, pass mo sa'yo. Pinaka namin natin challenge sa labas. It's okay. Number 7 is sabi na lagas. Pass to Buko. Bagong biyak na Buko. Sarap nito ang eskrita Buko. White coconut. Abalos, kinire-diretso, wala na, ano mangyari? Now, 4-3, wala, naroon na naman 1 minute. It's okay. Easy Oseo, number 7, 31 ampere for 3. Shot is good. 45 seconds remaining. Incheck, gustong bumawi. Wala, wala putback. Nariba ni Shadow nagmamadali, pinasa kay Avalos for 3-pointer. Wala pa rin, ni number 7, pinasa sa halaman. Halaman. Wala na pong shot clock. Running time po tayo, mga kaibigan putik, 20 seconds. Pass to Sander with the traveling calculation. 15 seconds, wala na pong shot clock, mga kaibigan, running time po tayo. 10 seconds. 9. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. End of the third quarter. Ang score natin ay